Welcome to Tyler's Tips. Today I'm going to talk about why it's so important to look behind you. Okay, today's tip is a very quick one. Look behind you. It's so easy when we're shooting to get an idea and stay focused on it and shoot it from a bunch of different angles. And then we're saying to ourselves, we got it, we're done, awesome. And we walk away and we never turned around and saw what might be a much better composition or a much more interesting photograph right behind us. So one of the ways that I try to help myself overcome this is when I'm on set, I always empower my assistants and I empower my clients to say, Tyler, did you see that? Because sometimes I don't. I totally forget to look behind myself sometimes. So this is part tip and part therapy. Tyler needs to work on this too. Anyways, so there you go. Quick tip for today. When you're out there shooting and you come up with a really cool idea and you're focused and you're thinking you crushed it, don't forget to turn around and look behind you because you might find something even better. As always, I hope this was a valuable tip. And if you have any other ideas or questions that you'd like to hear me discuss in a future Tyler's Tip, just drop me a line and I'll work it in. Until next time.